Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll see garbage collection in .NET. We'll break down how it works, why it's smart, and how it saves your app from memory disaster. So first we'll see what is garbage collection. When you create object in .NET, memory is allocated from managed heap. But once those objects are no longer in use, the garbage collector comes in picture and reclaim that memory. And best part is you don't have to do anything manually like free function, delete function in C++. So now we'll see garbage collection flow. First you write a code, objects get created in heap. And from those objects some goes out of scope or are no longer referenced. So garbage collection scans those objects in heap, finds unused objects and reclaim their memory. So this is flow of garbage collection. Next is in garbage collection we have generations. So we have three generations in garbage collection: Gen 0, Generation 1 and Generation 2. So Generation 0 is used to free short-lived objects like temporary variables inside a method. Then Generation 1 is used for medium lifespan, buffered between short and long lifespan. Then Generation 2 is long-lived or large objects. For long-lived objects like static data, app-wide caches or large list, Generation 2 is used. Because collecting memory from Generation 0 is super fast, so garbage collector doesn't waste time scanning everything, and likewise every generation works. Next we will see garbage collection process steps. So here what actually happens when garbage collection runs. It pauses your app. This is called a stop the world pause. Then it marks all objects that can't be reached. Next step is it frees all marked objects. Then fourth step is it compacts the heap, means it closes memory gaps for performance. This whole process is optimized in .NET Core using server or workstation in garbage collection modes. So next we will see what is server versus workstation garbage collection. So server garbage collection is optimized for multi-core machines, best for ASP.NET Core background services. And workstation garbage collection is great for desktop apps like WPF or Windows Forms. And you can even configure this in runtime config.json or your hosting environment. Now we'll see some interview tips. So garbage collection runs on managed heap and it uses three generations: Generation 0, 1, 2. And it have configurable modes, server mode or workstation mode. According to our need we can use. So .NET Core uses a generational garbage collection that tracks objects lifetime and automatically reclaim memory using sweeping and compacting. If this was helpful, then do like to the video and subscribe to the channel for more .NET tutorials. Thanks for watching.